I've been exploring the SilverSingles Dating App for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. SilverSingles is a dating app created specifically for people over 50 who are looking for companionship, long-term relationships, or a fresh start in their next chapter of life. It focuses on helping mature adults connect with others who share similar life experience, values, and intentions, rather than on casual swiping or fast-paced dating. The app is available for iPhone and is positioned as a space where older singles can feel more comfortable, understood, and supported while meeting new people. At its core, SilverSingles offers a profile-based matching experience where users can browse other members and gradually get to know them. The design has recently been refreshed to make navigation smoother, with an emphasis on simple browsing, messaging, and connection tools rather than overly complex features. Everyday use typically involves checking your suggestions, viewing photos and short bios, and interacting with people who appear to fit your preferences. According to the App Store description, the app also uses enhanced scam filters and verified profiles to help users feel safer while they explore potential matches, which is particularly important for older adults who may be cautious about online dating. However, it's not without flaws. Some recent reviews are sharply critical of the latest overhaul, saying that the new version removed useful options such as searching based on specific criteria and relying too heavily on a Discover browsing feature that doesn't closely follow your stated preferences. One user reports that despite setting clear preferences, the Discover section surfaces many profiles that don't fit what they're looking for, and even seems to include a large number of inactive profiles, which can make the experience feel repetitive and time-consuming. Another reviewer describes technical problems when trying to sign in, including repeated security checks followed by session-ended messages, which left them unable to access the service at all. Overall, SilverSingles appears to be a solid choice if you are over 50, value a more mature dating environment, and like the idea of an app built specifically for your life stage rather than a general audience dating platform. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.